see that the board came out real nice and beautiful. We're getting ready to do the reinstall. Very simple to get this little single cab board in and out. It's pretty straightforward, but we're gonna show you the details. All right, guys, it's Headliner Magic, and we're back with our 5 lucky winners of the Magic fragrances. We got James B, we got Bahama Flights, we have Tony Cincina, Terry Nelson, Omar Delgado .26 from Instagram. We did post on our Instagram, and if you guys aren't familiar with our Instagram page, it is Headliner Magic. Come over and check us out at Instagram, Headliner Magic, and give us a like over there as well. All right, so back to the video. Here we go. All right, guys, before I forget, we need to reinstall these microphone and also the clips for the visors. You guys that did win can reach me at headlinermagic@gmail.com, and I will send you a link to the fragrances so you can pick out your scent. And that thing just clicks right together. We'll go ahead and hook it up. Next, we'll put in these clips. This back into the vehicle pillar. So now that side in, then we'll do this other side here. So basically, for the pillar, there was a mounting tab or a hook here that I had to reinstall onto the pillar side, and that is for when this airbag blows out. It keeps this pillar from flying in your face. That's all it's for. We're gonna put that back on, and then we'll actually put this little alignment pin in place, and then push it in, and then this hook will keep it in place. All right, so now that that's back in place, we'll install our rubber trim. So next, so that way we make sure that everything is fully aligned, we want to go ahead and get this center console in place. And so we'll just put this connector back in. And then as we close this little locking tab, it pushes it farther down in there and locks it in place. And you want to make sure we get that wire tucked out of the way. And the first thing we want to do is align the clips to their holes. nice little push there. Okay, so now that we've done that, we want to go ahead and get our 2 screws in here, and that will make sure that everything is fully aligned. Now, because those things mounted so easily, that tells me that the board is centered just perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount these connectors back. There we go. Always check your electricals, make sure everything's working like it should. Visor goes on nice and easy. This little single cab is really a pretty simple truck, but it's pretty much the same for your extended cab or your quad cabs. The only thing that you're pretty much dealing with is that you have a few more accessories. But the process is pretty much the same. As you see, it's coming together nicely. We'll go ahead and get these back clips in real quick. There you have it, guys. Beautiful headliner. This is the brown